With names like Lazy Sunday Morning, Jazz Club, and Under the Lemon Trees, you can see why people are going crazy for one of Maison Margiela's boldest of the Replica collection. Today we'll take a quick look at By the Fireplace, first introduced in 2015 and still to this day turning heads. Welcome back everyone. My name is Dennis and you're tuned in to Unbox, where we cover all of your latest fashion, technology, and beauty trends. If you like content like this, consider yourself a new subscriber, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. So I feel like everybody knows when you smell a certain scent and you can kind of go back to a certain time and a place, and it gives you a certain feeling. That's what Maison Margiela does with the Replica lineup. And the candle from the set is pretty much spot on to the fragrance, but I'm more invested in the scents that I can take with me. So this cologne is by far in my lineup one of the most bold, warm, spicy, definitely not an everyday scent, but with wintertime coming up, I can see this being in my rotation a little bit more. And especially with this size, this is the 30 milliliter, really easy to toss into my little man bag, don't come for me. But for this size alone at Sephora, $85, right? Not too bad. The duo for the same size in the candle cost me $76. Obviously a no-brainer. But the even better deal is gonna be with Costco. As long as you have a membership, they have some crazy deals on their fragrance selection. This bottle and the larger 3.4 ounce goes for about $100 or $110 versus $160 at Sephora. Now, I've got to give credit to them. This is a beautiful bottle. That cotton label on the front, and then you've got the, I guess like a cotton twine around the top. It's a beautiful design. Now, when I first sprayed this, I won't lie, gave me that kind of low cost, low quality vibe, but in the end, it all worked out. It's a brand new bottle, just had to get warmed up. No pun intended, because this is definitely a warm scent. I love it though. Not an everyday scent for me. I could see where some people, would lean a little bit towards this. Not to step on any toes, but somewhat of a older woman fragrance. It is unisex, so I could recommend it to anyone, but still a very acquired smell. Now, if you have or get a chance to smell this, please let me know in the comments what you think. I'd love to know.